it's Hannah with WTI. I'm a huge fan of the metal reusable straws, but I was so frustrated that I could never use them with my cocktails. I love drinking out of a rocks glass or a shorter glass, and all of my reusable straws are so tall. So I got this 12-pack multicolored reusable straw pack from Teivio, and it has been the perfect solution for me. It came with 3 different colors, the gold, silver, and my favorite, the multicolor rainbow, and they are the perfect straw for all of my at-home cocktails. It fits perfectly in every rocks glass that I have, and they are the perfect size. These are 5 inches, and I am so in love with them. I love that it was a 12-pack so that I have a bunch to use. If I have guests, I have plenty for them. So if you're looking for something to replace cocktail stirrers or your short straws, then you should definitely get this pack. I think they are absolutely perfect, but that's just my point of view.